this is it. I'm here. It's about, well, the pharmacy said it was 26 degrees. Blue sky, loads of people on the beach. I don't know if I actually showed the beach tour then. I am on the Promenade des Anglais, which I've been to a lot before. Shall I just try and show the beach behind and all the people. And I was lucky enough to have my lovely mum and sister join me for the first few days. They've just left, which is a little bit sad. And instead of going back to the flat to tackle my huge to-do list full of admin, I decided I need to get out and do something to keep me busy. And although I've watched it on the prom many times, there's a turret castle thing that you can climb at the end of the prom, and it looks like that would be a nice thing to do, to be able to look over the city where I'm going to try and make a life. And not only that, but I noticed that there is like, you can go even higher, and there's a waterfall. It looks really pretty, so I have no idea how I get up there. Hope it's free. Pretty sure it will be. See how I go. But yeah, it's beautiful. Also at the moment there is the Nice European Masters games happening, and so if we look at beach volleyball, and I've seen some sailing happening out at sea, and this evening it's the closing ceremony, so I'm going to go and watch that. Hopefully this view at the top will be worth it and do the trick. So up there is where I would like to go. Been there, but a little bit higher, being even better. Now to find this waterfall, wherever that may be. Higher up, I think. My thigh's gonna hate me tomorrow. Okay, cascade. I can hear it. It's just about the challenge of finding it. There's also been a wedding. I keep seeing all these beautifully dressed people everywhere, making me feel slightly inadequate. Oh no, I've run out of the signs. Here we are. I still need to get higher.
seul à prendre la parole sur cette scène.
As President of the International Masters Games, it is a joy for me to see all of you here tonight. The 2015 European Masters Games in the wonderful city of Nice is sadly coming to an end.